Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Java games. First, you will need to install the Java Runtime Environment, or JRE, on your computer. This essential software allows your system to run Java applications, including games. Make sure to download the correct version for your operating system, whether it is Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Always obtain the JRE from the official Oracle website to ensure security and compatibility. Once you have the JRE installed, the next step is to find and launch your Java games. Most Java games come as a single file with a jar extension. After downloading, simply double-click this file to start the game. If double-clicking does not work, you can open your command prompt, navigate to the game's directory, and type Java jar game name. Jar to launch it. Sometimes, you might encounter issues when trying to play Java games. A common solution is to ensure your Java runtime environment is updated to its latest stable version. Outdated versions can cause compatibility problems. Also, check your computer's firewall and antivirus software, as they might sometimes block Java applications from running. Ensuring your graphics drivers are up to date can also resolve many display-related issues. To enhance your Java gaming experience, consider adjusting the in-game settings. Many games allow you to modify graphics quality or resolution to suit your system's capabilities, offering smoother gameplay or better visuals. For managing multiple games, a dedicated game launcher can help keep everything organized. Additionally, exploring online community forums can provide valuable tips, custom content, and support from other players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.